Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez, and this is my daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth and get dressed. I seldom have breakfast early. After I do the homework and chat on WhatsApp. At 10:30 a.m., I frequently listen to Christian music. I often have lunch at 12:30. At 2 p.m., I take a nap. At 3 p.m., I usually pick up my son at his daycare center. I sometimes study English on Duolingo app and watch videos on YouTube. I never watch terror movies. At night, I usually go to the church with my wife and my son. We come back home at 9:30. Approximately, I always go to bed too late because I like to do the homework or watch videos on my phone when everyone are asleep. Thanks for watching.